So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing. It has been doing pretty good in the past couple of days as it has been rising, and we're going to be taking a look at the short-term graphs and the long-term graphs to be taking a look at where Turbo could be heading next. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. And we're over at our screen looking at Turbo at around 0.2022, up around 18% in the week. If we look at daily, it is up around 4.6%. Again, not too bad. Market cap at $157 million, volume at $32 million, also up almost 20% from yesterday, so doing pretty good. Overall, it has come up a lot. We could see in the beginning of the week it wasn't doing great. Monthly, it is still down 37%. We could see this, it did go a lot lower, all the way to 0.20188, and it has come up obviously, but not by a lot. If we take a look at Turbo's graph, we can see this is the graph we have been taking a look at Turbo in the previous couple of videos, and we still haven't found a strong kind of support range for Turbo. Again, this range it is currently in is not a crucial range that we have seen in Turbo's graph in the past. This range right here, this bottom, this lower rectangle, is the range that does seem like it is coming for Turbo. Again, we know this range was also very crucial for Turbo because again, it has hit this range a bunch of times and then shot up, but this time it did something different. This time it did go lower than this range, and the only crucial range below this range is this other rectangle right here. We could see it has been in Turbo for again quite a few times. But again, since there isn't much data, this range right here did include a lot of points where it did go shoot back up, but this one there's not too much that we could guarantee. And even the range it is currently in, where it is kind of going sideways, we could say not doing too much. It has come actually up by a lot, even at the current price, 20%, and to the top around 23-24%. Again, still pretty decent numbers, but nowhere close to where Turbo could potentially be. Again, this has went to $90 million market cap, very close to that $1 billion market cap. So again, looking at its current market cap, this right here historically is not a good support area. Maybe it could be actually. Let's look at the daily, and then we could actually better see this. It has actually once been to this range, but again, it didn't stay there for long because that was the first big pump that Turbo had. And we can't say that is a strong support, but this we can say because it has hit a couple times. And obviously this is not rock solid information because there's not too much we could base this off of, but hopefully it does meet one of these ranges very soon, and we will be looking at next price targets for Turbo. If we actually take a look at the Turbo community, 91% still bullish. Turbo with content creation, utility, and Web3 for content creators. This will bring add-on utility to AI-based meme coins using ChatGPT. Turbo and the importance of a renowned smart contract. Turbo has been a radical approach to decentralization by renouncing its smart contract. This means no entity can modify its code or make centralized decisions about its development. In crypto ecosystems, this represents a higher level of security and trust for users. So obviously, it is way more secure because it has this renowned smart contract for itself. And obviously, if it's on these huge list of exchanges, it obviously has some sort of strong backend. We know it's on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bithumb, OKX, and many more exchanges, around 120 plus spot exchanges, which is absolutely huge. And it wouldn't be on this huge list of exchanges if it was a rug pull, or if it was going to zero again. even the exchanges want good coins on their platform, and they just don't list random coins. They want what's best for them. And obviously if they chose Turbo, and this is on the world's biggest exchange, Binance, on Coinbase, which is the third biggest, and so on, many huge exchanges, so it obviously has some sort of strong end. Turbo will head towards 4 cents, buy and hold 10 cents this year. So we do see different targets by everyone for Turbo, and obviously hopefully that does come true as well. So again, overall doing really good on Turbo. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take another look at Turbo, what it has been doing. Again, not doing too much, but hopefully it does find a good range to settle very soon, and we'll keep you guys updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.